Lately, my color palette has changed a lot, and I have started using muted colors or earthy colors, except if the subject for the painting demands to use different colors or extensive color palette. Having said so, today I am showing you my watercolor painting process for this elephant. Before I explain my further painting process, I apologize for the camera's autofocus. And also I lost a part of footage of applying the base color layer to the elephant and part of the background. But thankfully, the rest of the footage doesn't have this problem. The reference image shows that the elephant is throwing sand on itself, and I was drawn towards the idea of using a limited color palette consisting of burnt sienna and ultramarine blue of Winsor & Newton watercolors, and also the mixture of the two to create bluish black. After the paper is completely dry, I started with painting the details of the elephant. I haven't applied any second coat of ultramarine on the elephant. Instead, the bluish grey is used to paint and highlight the folds and the shadows on the elephant's body. Also, I am not painting each and every folds of the skin, but the ones which were very prominent in the photo, leaving the rest for the viewer's imagination. To spread the blue on the body of the elephant, I occasionally wet the required area for smooth spreading and gradation of the color. I repeat this for painting the background too, with burnt sienna. I'm happy with the result as I tried something new this time. The only step I missed was stretching the paper before painting. I am still learning about this, so any videos for reference will be helpful. Do post the links in the comment section if you know of any other artist showing how to stretch the watercolor paper before painting. And also let me know in the comments if you liked this process. Finally, do subscribe to my channel as I post a new video every week. So see you in the next week.